Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to present evolution of lysophyte vascular tissue. All vascular plants have vascular tissues. There are two types of vascular tissues. The first one is xylem. The function of xylem is to transport water through the stem to the leaves. Xylem also contains lignin that can strengthen plant cell walls. The evolution of xylem was essential to the evolution of upright and taller plants. The second type of vascular tissues is phloem. Phloem transport nutrients in plant. Phloem also a pathway to signaling molecule. It is typically composed of three cell types, which is sieve elements, parenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Phloem has structural function in the plant body. Origin of vascular plants. The fossil indicates the first plants that were bushes that tree and now already extinct is Cooksonia. Cooksonia is rhinophyte, a group of vascular plants that flourished during Silurian period. Rhinophytes were only about 6.5 cm tall and had no root or leaves. They consisted simply of a stem that forked evenly to produce branches ending in sporangia. The branching of Cooksonia was significant for two reasons. Instead of the single sporangium in bryophyte, the plant produced many sporangia and many more spores. Branching also a characteristic of plants that have vascular tissue. The sporangia of Cooksonia produce wing-bloom spores, which is classified as seedless plants. In addition, the lysophyte and all other vascular plants have a dominant sporophyte generation.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aleya Natasha. I will continue to present presentation from Athia Solehah. My presentation topic is evolution of Lycophyte, the vascular tissue. Lycophyte had leaves and roots. The leaves they call as microphytes, as we can look from this. It had only one strand of vascular tissue and evolved as simply side extension of the stem. And the root evolves simply as low extension of the stem and is centrally placed. It had one strand or unbranched vascular tissue. As we can look from the diagram, the unbranched vascular tissue is like this. Lycophyte called as club mosses. There are three main groups of it. Is called as ground pines, Lycopodium, spike mosses, Selaginella, and krillwort isolates. This is how the ground pines Lycopodium looks like, and spike mosses, Selaginella, and krillwort isolates. The description of the structure of Lycopodium. Lycopodium has a strawberry. Its cone-shaped structure looks like this, and it resembles a club of heavy sticks. It's accounting for the common name club mosses. It has also sporangia are point on the strawberry. In the place for meiosis, spores are produced. Aerial stem and microphyll contain vascular tissue. Rhizome underground stem. It is the place for developing roots and branch. Sporangia at the strobilus. If the spore producing structure is produced only one type of spore, it can grow into one type of chematophyte called as homosporous. Vascular plant can produce two types of spore, heterosporous. It has two types, such as microspore, grow into male chematophyte, and megaspore grow into female chematophyte. This is like for the reproduction of megaspore and microspore. That's all for me. Thank you.